Good afternoon, this is Charlie Zeiss with Only PVC Pyramids. Today's video is entitled Using a Russian PVC Pyramid While Working on the Computer. While we're down for a few days pending some fulfillment and other issues, I've had the opportunity to build a slightly larger pyramid than we normally sell, which is a 7.6 foot pyramid. This is going to take the place of the 5-foot pyramid in our 3-pyramid repertoire, and you'll see why here in just a moment. I've put this together and it works like a charm. I can sit directly underneath the pyramid and have plenty of space and room to use to sit under the pyramid while I'm working on the computer. I think this is going to be an exciting application for those of you especially who use the computer a lot and or like me work from home and are looking for a way to protect yourself from EMFs while you're on the computer. So we're going to go in now. I'll demonstrate this to you and show you how functional this is and how easy it is to get in and out of the pyramid while I'm at my desk. We'll be back in a moment. We're back inside. This is the area of the home where I usually on the computer and working, and you can see that I'm sitting with ease in an office chair that has rollers on it. I can move forward and backwards, have plenty of space here to move around in, and I have plenty of space as well to type on the computer, to write notes here next to my computer laptop. So there's really plenty of room to roam around in here, and I will tell you that this is taking up a little bit more space on the floor. It's 7.5 feet tall, so you want to check your ceiling heights, but this should fit inside virtually any apartment or home ceiling that hasn't had a number of layers of roofing or ceiling tiles put on it. But do measure before you order to make sure that you have 7.5 feet of clearance before you do this. And also in terms of the floor space that this is taking up, the diameter, or the sides of this 7.5 foot pyramid, the exterior space that this takes up is 46.5 inches square, and inside, for purposes of measuring how much room you'll have inside the pyramid at the base, the interior space on this size pyramid is 44 inches. So again, you'll want to measure that. 46.5 inches is the outside, 44 inches is the inside square space. And you'll also want to consider as well figuring out if you can orient your pyramid to magnetic north while you're working at your computer, because that's going to optimize the space. But suffice it to say, if you can make those things work, this gives more than ample room for me to sit at the computer and do my work on an everyday basis. So this could be a tremendous boon to those of you who, like me, work at home and are looking for a way to keep away from the EMFs or to modify them and make sure that you're safe, and also that you have the energy that this to continue working at your computer over extended periods of time. So I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to contact us, onlypvcpyramids@yahoo.com, or phone us at 412-474-3481. As always, thank you for watching, and you have a great day.